Okay, so going to the last topic of paper 7, which is the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Okay, it's very easy. Basically, from the beginning of the video, I'll just tell you the basic principle. Basically, just like Mendelian inheritance, no, where we say it's because of the genes. Remember, capital T, and small t is inherited to the next generation. No, we get T heterozygous. Here also, instead of capital T or the genes, you visualize if capital T was a chromosome. Okay, this is capital T, this is capital T, the male, and this is in this chromosome, this is small t, and this is small t again. Okay, so it is very similar to your Mendelian inheritance. It's very easy. Okay, so just listen once in the video, you will understand it. Okay, so let's see what they have written. Mendel held that traits were transmitted from generation to generation as discrete, stable, particular units of heredity called factors, termed as genes. Okay, so it's exactly what we already studied, Mendelian inheritance. No, he says that it's the traits or genes that are transferred from parent to parent, generation to generation. Okay. He did not know location of these genes, okay, because at that time he did not have a microscope. No, it wasn't invented yet, okay. And mitosis, meiosis also unknown at the time, so he was limited by the knowledge of his time, okay. But through his imagination, no, he was able to visualize exactly what it would be. Well, you must be thinking, oh my God, Mendel is so smart. It's not exactly that. Science it's exactly imagination. Think about Einstein, no? Oh, how do I remove this? Okay. Think about Einstein. This E is equal to mc square, no? Okay. He says that we can travel from one part of the universe to another part using this equation. So we travel at the speed of light and we can reach at this time by that time. Okay. So, can we really travel in space? Can you really visualize dark matter? No, but he imagined, okay, it was a theory he thought up that it must be true, no, that light travels, this is how the speed of light travels, and this is how we calculate the distance of the sun in our galaxy to another sun, in another galaxy. Okay, so it's all in visualization. It's not that, Einstein, he took a measuring tape from the earth and to the sun. Or this is the Milky Way. He stood here, he took a measuring tape and measured this other Milky Way. No, he gave a theory. Okay, so it's not a new thing that some genius at olden time he thought of a theory which becomes proven now. Okay, so even you, when you go for your masters, you will start doing practicals, no, that have a hypothesis, okay, or a theory, and then you hypothesize something, okay, or you give a theory on something, and then you will do some experiments. Okay, experiments. Then you conduct your experiment and then you will prove that the theory you propounded, it was true. Okay. So, that's why there are theoretical physicists and experimental physicists. Similarly, even in botany, not just botany, in life science, we have theoretical, a scientist and experimental scientists. So this is just, getting you interested in future. Okay, so let's continue again in the syllabus. What's written here? The discovery of, the Mendelian inheritance. It showed light on the mechanism of inheritance. So this is the history. Hertzwig discovered that during fertilization, two nuclei, then they fused together. He saw like that. Okay, so he saw that. Then another scientist, he saw that chromosomes, they doubled, okay, on the fusion. Okay, so these are the history. They keep on discovering, no? Okay, so let's go down. Then who proposed this theory? It was Sutton and Boveri. Okay, so they come for entrance. It's a very direct question, but who knows? Okay, so they proposed this chromosomal theory of inheritance, and it was confirmed by T.H. Morgan. Okay, T.H. Morgan, he must be famous to you. He is the one who conducted those experiments on Drosophila. Drosophila, no, he conducted all the experiments on the Drosophila flies. Okay. So these workers observe a close similarity between transmission of hereditary traits and behavior of the chromosome while passing from one generation to the next through male and female gametes. Okay. So think about it. We start with TT and small t, small t. Okay. Then gametes will form, became capital T, small t, and then, so we notice that these are separating. Okay, so this is the theory that Mendel propounded. Then, okay, now let's draw the chromosome theory of inheritance. Let's say this is a diploid cell, okay, male diploid cell, and this is a female diploid cell. Okay, I'll give squiggly lines, make it a bit easy to differentiate. Okay, fine. This is a female one. Then, during meiosis, what did we observe? Yes, we observe this is half. Oh, sorry, not squiggly here. It's straight. And this one also, only one half of the chromosome went. And from the female, this one went only one in one cell. And this also went only half. Okay, so isn't it behaving exactly like how Mendel predicted? Let me draw again, okay? So this is T, T, small t, small t. Okay. Then the T gamete formation, small t gamete formation. Okay, so let's me draw again the chromosome. Straight male, squiggly lines, female chromosomes. Okay, homologous. I'm just giving two chromosome pairs as example. Then after meiosis, we get two cells which have half the number of chromosome. Okay. 2 matlab 4. Meiosis produces 4 cells, but I'm just showing 2. Okay, because if this is capital T, this is small t, small t. Okay, let's visualize it like that. Okay, obviously meiosis produced 4 cells. I'm not changing history here. I'm just showing how it happens. Okay, so here also, this one will get half the number of chromosomes, small t. This one will get half the number of chromosomes, small t. So we are seeing that exactly like Mendel predicted. The chromosome also, they behave. So that's easy enough to understand, no girls? Okay. Okay, so let's look at some salient points. Link between one generation and the next through the female gamete. Okay, these points you can go through by yourself. What we need is, I want you to understand, no? Points you can go through by yourself. Okay, so here, let's look at the diagram. Okay, so this is... see, this is exactly what, remember those crosses that I have showed you? This is that seed color, seed shape, remember? So this is exactly that, this color that I have showed you, where you, this one, no? Yellow seed and green, yellow and wrinkled, and here the... yellow is dominant, round is dominant, and green is recessive and wrinkled is recessive. Okay, so remember that the crosses we did, the Mendelian one. So let's see. Okay, so what happened here? To get in meiosis, we want to get 4 cells, no? So first chromosome will duplicate. Okay, so it's not exactly directly from capital T. Okay, directly we get this one like that. But we should be getting 4 gametes. Okay, so should be capital T, capital T, capital T. Which means that they have to duplicate. Okay, okay. So they are undergoing replication, no? So this chromosome has replicated. It had another homologous pair. Then this chromosome has replicated itself. It got that. Okay, Then meiosis happen, and then we get 4 gametes. Okay, we get 4 gametes, right? Male and female. And then when they combine, remember that Punnett square, when they combine, we'll get yellows, round, green, wrinkled, all those combination, 16 combinations, something or the other, okay? But basically, what it means is that the chromosome behave exactly as the basis of inheritance, okay? Just like Mendel predicted, we also, they are the ones who take part in hereditary, okay? So Mendel thought factor, he don't know chromosome, he don't even know genes. He just said some factor is there, something inside, something makes it tall, something make this another pea plant dwarf. He don't know how, he don't know why, okay? But here we are seeing exactly how the chromosomes behave. So we saw that this chromosome, okay, this this cell, after reaching maturity, it perform its job of DNA replication. Fine, we got equal copies. Then what happened? Metaphase happened, telophase happened. That one you do with Miss Rimea. Then after telophase happened, then anaphase happened, then telophase happened, then separation, and then you got the 4 gametes. Okay, and exactly like Mendel's crosses when we did that. Remember that what is that, double cross or something? Not double cross, that cross I did with green yellow wrinkle seeds. So even suppose I draw this, okay, I need some blank little space I need to draw. What to do? Okay, yes, here's some space. Okay, suppose we draw the Punnett square but in the form of chromosome. Okay, suppose I draw the chromosome. Okay, now this gamete here, I will take here, I will draw this one, capital Y, small capital R. So draw the chromosome Y and draw the chromosome R. Okay, then from here the female, remember you cannot cross male and male, it's cross male and female. Then here capital Y, small r. So here you draw this one, this haploid cell, you draw it capital Y. So you draw that capital Y chromosome and you draw this small y, small r chromosome. Okay, then when you combine, you will get Y chromosome and capital R, small r chromosome. Okay, let me just draw only one square. Okay, instead of drawing 4 squares, I'll just draw one. Okay, so I get enough space. Okay, so let me draw one gamete here and one here. Okay, then you draw you just like you do Punnett square. Okay, so let's just draw the chromosome. This one is capital Y and this short one is capital R. Okay, this one I drew, finish. Now let's draw this other one. Let's draw this chromosome, capital Y and small r. Okay, then on fertilization, let us draw the fertilized cell. Okay, inside the nucleus we will get, yes, I think you have already guessed, capital Y chromosome, capital Y chromosome and capital R chromosome and small r chromosome. Yes, very good. So I think you've understood that chromosomal theory of inheritance is just like your Mendelian inheritance. So I'll stop here because I think it's clear to you, because rather than if I just read this theory, it is easy to understand through this diagram. Okay.